Number 12C, solve the simultaneous equations by substitution method. 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equals to 8. 3x minus 2y minus 3z is equals to negative 2. 5x plus 4y plus 2z is equals to 3. So what you do, you choose any equation and use it to form a substitute. For instance, I will take 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equals to 8. And I'll use that to form a substitute. I will leave x on the left. So I'll take this with the values with y and z to the right. So I'll have 2x is equals to 8 minus 3y minus 4z. When these two values with positive sign, they cross the equal sign, the sign will be negative. Then you divide through by 2. Divide through by 2. So for our substitute, x will be equals to 8 minus 3y minus 4z all over 2. So that is our substitute. Then we will substitute in the second and the third equation. So in the second equation, we have 3x. So it will be 3. Where there is x, you put 8 minus 3y minus 4z all over 2. Then you continue minus 2y minus 3z is equals to negative 2. Then what you do, you can decide to remove this denominator by multiplying everything through by 2. So what you do, you multiply this part by 2, then this part by 2, this part by 2, then here also by 2. So these two disappear here, but we'll have 3 into 8 minus 3y minus 4z. Then here 2 times negative 2y minus 4y, 2 times negative 3z minus 6z is equals to negative 4. Then here, open the brackets, we'll have 24 minus 9y minus 12z minus 4y minus 6z is equals to negative 4. Collecting the like terms, we will take 24 across the equal sign, so it will become negative. Here we'll be left with minus 9y minus 4y. All of them are negative, so it's minus 9 minus 4, that is minus 13y. Then minus 12z minus 6z, that is minus 18z, is equals to minus 4, then minus 24. That would give you minus 13y minus 18z, which is equals to minus 28. You can multiply through by negative 1. Multiply through by negative 1 and you'll achieve 13y minus plus rather 18z is equals to 28. So this is our third equation, or the fourth equation, because we had equation 1, 2, and 3. So this one becomes our equation 4 that we achieved there. Then when we substitute in the third equation, we'll obtain the fifth one. So in the third one, we'll say 5x, but where there is x, you put 8 minus 3y, then minus 4z all over 2, then you continue plus 4y, then plus 2z is equals to 3. Then what you do again, you can choose to multiply everything by 2, here by 2, this part by 2, this part by 2, then here by 2. Then here these two excuse me, would cancel. So we'll have 5 into 8 minus 3y minus 4z plus 2 times 4y, 8y, 2 times 2z plus 4z is equals to 6. Then opening the brackets here, we will achieve 40. 5 times 3 is 15y. 5 times negative 4 minus 20z, then plus 8y plus 4z is equals to 6. Then collecting the like terms, 40, we will go across the equal sign, so we'll have minus 15y plus 8y minus 20z plus 4z is equals to 6 minus 40. Then minus 15 plus 7 is minus 7y. Minus 15 plus 8y is minus 7y. Minus 20 plus 4 is minus 16z. Then is equals to 60 minus 40. That gives you minus 34. Multiplying through by negative again. Everything by negative. So multiply through by negative 1. We'll be able to get 7y plus 16z is equals to 34. That is equation 5. So once you get your equation 5, you can do the same. You can use equation 4 to form a substitute and substitute it in 5. So in equation 4, 13y plus 18z is equals to 28. So I will take 18z across. So we'll have 13y is equals to 18 minus, this is 28, 28 minus 18z. Then to find y, divide through by 13. So here 1, here 1. So y would be equals to 28 minus 18z all over 13. So everywhere in the second equation where we have y, we'll replace it to this one. So we'll have the equation is here, 7y, but in place of y, put 28 minus 18z all over 13. Then plus 16z is equals to 34. Then multiply everything by 13, here by 13, by 13, by 13. Then 13 here would cancel, so we'll have 7 into 28 minus 18z. Then 13 by 16, 13 by 16 gives you 208 plus 208z. Then 13 by 34, that gives you 442. Then when you open the bracket, 7 by 28, that gives you 196. Then 7 by 18, that gives you minus 126z plus 208z is equals to 442. Then to simplify, you take 196 across and you add these ones. So minus 126, then you add 208, 208, you get 82z is equals to 442 minus 196. 442 minus 196, that gives you 246, so 246, and here we have 82z. So to get z, you divide everything by 82, divide by 82, then you'll be able to get here 1, here 1, you'll be able to get that z is equals to 3. So when you divide by 3, so when you divide by 82, so once you get that z is 3, you pick any of the equations. For example, we had equation 5 here, you replace for z. So we had 7y plus 16z is equals to 34. Then what's the value of z? Z is 3. So we'll have 7y plus 16 into 3 is equals to 34. Then when you work out, 7y plus 48 is equals to 34. Then take 48 across the equal sign. So 7y is equals to 34 minus 48. Then when you simply find that difference, you'll be able to find that 7y is equals to negative 14. And to be able to find 7, divide through by 7 by 7. So here 1, here 1, 7 into negative 14, negative 2. So y is equals to negative 2. Then to find x, you can pick any of the equations. For example, the original equation, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equals to 8. Then you substitute. Our x we do not have. Our y is negative 2, so 3 into negative 2 plus 4. Our z is 3, should be equals to 8. So 2x, here we have minus 6. When you multiply these two, then plus 4 times 3 is 12 is equals to 8. Negative 6 plus 12 is positive 6, then is equals to 8. Then to be able to find x, you take 6 across the equal sign. So we'll have 2x is equals to 8 minus 6. 2x is equals to 2. And when you divide everything by 2, to be able to get x, you find that x is equals to 1. Then we say hence x is equals to 1, y is equals to -2, and z is equals to 3.